Good morning, we are the Castillo Consulting Group, and today we're going to talk about Clave. So first of all, I'm going to talk about what is linear programming. Linear programming is a field of mathematics, programming, a mathematic method developed in the Second World War with the plan to plan the expenses and returns. Nowadays, the companies use it as a tool to lower the cost and maximize the benefit. So what use we can give the linear programming? Linear programming was heavily used in microeconomics and currently used in companies' management fields such as planification, transportation, logistics, production, and many more. Also, so why are we studying linear programming? Even though linear programming can be applied to many areas of the business activity, in our activity, we will emphasize in the PYMEs, exclusively in the bar Clave, with linear programming.
We managed to talk with Igor, the Clave's owners, and he told us inside information about the cost of the drinks for him, how much he buys, and how much he sells weekly. Here we have the different drink combinations, which are measured in milliliters, the alcohol we use, the soft drink, and the number of ice cubes that we use. Here is a measure of what needs each drink in milliliters, the ice, and it's measured by units. Here we have the weekly cost of the bottles and sodas. Here the bottles, here the different sodas, and as an assumption we are measuring that each drink has 2 ice cubes. Also, for the purpose of this exercise, we are not going to take into account the VAT, neither in the cost nor in the benefits. And here's the conversation where Igor told us the different costs and the use of alcohol per week. Here's the weekly availability for drinks in milliliters, the alcoholic drinks, sodas, and the ice in milliliters. And here's the different, the selling price of each drink, the cost of the drink minus the alcohol cost per drink, the soft drink cost per drink, and the cost of each ice cube, of both ice cubes per drink. And here's the different profits that we have with each drink.
Here we have the constraints expressed by the alcohol availability, the soft drinks availability, the non-negativity constraints as we established before with the variables, and the ice availability. Here we have its relation, that it must not exceed or pass with its limit values. Now we use solver using the sum product function with the previous image that we showed, and here we have the results. The results were that the bar gets a weekly profit of 2,404.74 euros by selling 645 drinks in a week. This 645 drink consists in 140 consists in the alcohol in the drinks that were sold that week, and we have to take into consideration that the whole profit of Bar Clave it's not here due to the fact that the establishment provides more drinks to the public. Also, we must highlight that the fact that in order to maximize the profit, we must use the total availability of those alcohol and soft drinks and ice that were mentioned. So as a conclusion, as we have seen, in order to maximize the profits, Clave would have to sell 645 drinks. The ingredients that would not run in order to maximize the profits would be those. And as a recommendation, Igor must advertise the sale of Pachara Orange due to the fact that it's the most profitable one as we've seen in the objective function. Thank you very much. We are the Castillo Consulting Group, and it was a pleasure.